Welcome to Agriculture Academy, where we show you the ins and outs of all things agriculture. In this video, we are going to show you the simple steps you can follow to grow Clivias from seed. Stick around until the end of the video for your own copy of our ebook which details all this information for you. The Clivia is a bulbous plant native to southern Africa and is known for its large flower heads that emerge in the late winter and early springtime. They are a popular garden plant that grow well in the shade and retain their deep green foliage throughout the year. Clivias also make great potted plants. This video is perfect for those of you who wish to grow your own Clivias from seed, whether it be for a hobby or to use in a commercial nursery. Let's get started. Before you get sowing, you will need Clivia seed, germination trays or flats, Coir, Vermiculite, and an all-purpose fungicide or bleach. First of all, you are going to need to get your hands on some seed. You can try order batches from reputable online retailers, but if you have some mature Clivias it is just as easy to harvest the seed yourself. Simply take the mature, brightly colored fruit from the plants. Break the fruit in half and remove the seeds. Depending on the size of the fruit, it can contain between 1 to 6 seeds. Make sure you clean the seed from any fibrous tissue and you are ready to go. If you are harvesting your seed yourself, you may want to treat your seed with a fungicide before you sow them. Simply soak your seeds in a fungicide or bleach solution for a few minutes or according to the instructions on the label of the fungicide. Then remove from the solution and allow to dry before you start planting. Once you have cleaned and treated your seed, you can plant them. There are 2 important rules that you need to follow when growing Clivia seed. Rule 1. Do not completely cover your seed with your soil or germination mix. If your seed is covered, they will not germinate. Rule 2. Aerated soil is a must. Clivias require a well-drained medium to thrive and the same is true for the young seedlings. A compact soil will also prevent the root from penetrating the soil, which will instead push the young seedling out of the ground. So make sure your medium is soft enough for the root to grow through. For the perfect germination medium, mix 1 part coir to 1 part vermiculite. The coir will retain enough moisture to imbibe the seeds and the vermiculite will promote drainage and prevent waterlogging. You can also use perlite instead of vermiculite if you wish. Once you have mixed your medium, fill some trays or flats. You can use open trays or ones with individual cells. Just make sure the trays are at least 5 centimeters deep to allow for adequate root development before you need to transplant your seedlings. To plant your seed, simply place the side with the eye about half a centimeter deep in your rooting medium. If you struggle to find the eye, remember it will always be on the opposite side to the one with the dark circle, so make sure this circle is always facing up. Repeat this until all of your seed have been planted. Give the seeds a light soaking with water. You can either cover the tops of your trays with some cling film and keep in a warm area, or you can apply regular misting. Whichever option you choose, make sure that your soil doesn't dry out. Depending on the temperature and humidity, your seed will begin to germinate in about 2 weeks. Keep your seeds in your trays for their first year of growth before you transplant them. When you do transplant the seedlings, make sure their pots are quite big to house the seedlings for at least another year or 2. When it comes to Clivias, they do not enjoy regular transplanting, so try and keep them moving from pot to a minimum. And that's how easy it is to grow Clivias from seed. We hope you enjoyed the video and wish you the best of luck in propagating your plants. Let us know in the comments if you have had success with growing Clivia seed and whether you have any helpful tips and tricks. Remember to check out the description below for your own ebook that details all this information. Thanks for watching and see you next time.